Hello, and welcome to my video about Train the Trainer. This is Annette Hemstock. I'd like to start off with a short introduction by saying the job of a trainer takes on many roles, as an instructor and as a mentor, for example. Trainers need to be great communicators because in their role, they talk a lot. But it is the listening aspect that really means the most, and I think it helps to build a human connection between the trainee and the trainer. Many companies rush through the training process, and this proves to be a costly mistake in terms of training expenses and work hours. Return on investment can only be achieved through effective learning and the effective transfer of training. Okay, the first topic I'd like to discuss is the training site consideration. The training room should be comfortable and inviting for the students. The training environment can be influenced by both mental and physical aspects, and this is why. The key is to offer a classroom with the ability to infuse a wide variety of activities and interactions. Choose the training room site that meets your purpose. The next topic is choosing the right trainer. The trainer should have specific topic expertise and experience as a trainer, and this is why. When you have strong communication skills, you're a strong presenter. Selecting an engaging manager or employee to conduct the training will help to reinforce the usefulness of the training on the job. Trainees will be able to make a connection to the material and the usefulness on the job. Okay, on to the learning theory. The learning theory that I chose is the adult learning theory, mainly because many programs center around the adult audience, and here is why. Adults have a need to know attitude. Adults are self-directed, and they bring more of work-related scenarios to the training approach. Many training programs are built around the adult learning theory. Okay, how the trainers use the training site and instructions conducive to learning. As a trainer, you can take charge of the learning environment presented to the trainees by determining how, when, and where learning will take place. And here's why. Think about the physical requirements of the training room. Will the trainees be interacting? Is their training room set up for group collaborating? Considering the room design in advance will help provide the proper setting for learning to take place. Okay, the next topic would be the curriculum roadmap and its purpose. A brief statement explaining the details of a course, including the course objectives and the prerequisites involved, help to map out the course and its intended purposes. And here's why. Learners get the idea of the big picture involved, such as objectives, timelines, activities, assignments, and more. This helps learners to get in the proper mental state by explaining the goals in the training, important content that will be covered, discussion about objectives, resources, and link to the program. Okay, the next topic that I'd like to go over is pre-training and post-training activities. As part of the evaluation for a course, trainers should conduct pre-training and post-training studies. And here's why. Pre-training assessment allows for a bigger understanding of the actual needs of the trainees before the training begins. Post-training measures the learning and skills collected immediately after training to help determine whether or not information was received by the trainee. Okay, I'd like to discuss the program design. The first part of a program design involved the needs assessment of the trainees who will be attending, followed by comprehensive curriculum roadmap outlining the program's area of study and the learning objectives and the goals of the course. The best activities, I think, are group projects and interactive involvement because they help to enforce social learning and collaborative problem solving. This helps to reinforce what has been covered in the course. Okay, the next topic is levels of management support. A good manager can offer support and encouragement to the trainees to help apply training to the job. And here's why. Managers can emphasize the importance of the training to fulfill job tasks more efficiently. Managers can provide the opportunity for trainees to use what they've learned. Managers support in making appropriate time for employees to train is another factor for training. Finally, the assessment process for the training program's success. Evaluation of training is so important considering the typical cost to train just one employee is estimated at $1,200. The question is, did anyone really learn? Evaluating trainers' reaction to the program, tests and quizzes, skills assessments, and behaviors afterward help to assess whether or not the training will be useful and applied to the job. Finally, return on investment evaluation will determine if the training resulted in improvements for the company. Lastly, I'd like to conclude my training video by saying thank you for watching and goodbye.